Hey guys, it's Deepica, and I'm here with a special guest, Susan Yara. So Susan is an amazing slash gorgeous human being, as you can see. And she is the founder of Mixed Makeup, which you guys have to check out. All the information is down below. We just did a collab on their channel, which was about our favorite products that are universally flattering on all skin tones. So for my channel today, you guys are always asking me to do updated skincare stuff, and I think that's just like the hot thing right now. You can just look at this skin and you just want to know what this woman uses. I mean, because look at it.
Look at this skin.
I feel like we should start by saying like what type of skin we have.
I have combo skin. I get oily in the T-zone. I went T-zone. T-zone.
So I'm more on the dry side for sure, and it only heightens in the wintertime obviously, but year-round definitely dry. And I always do this at the end of the video and I regret it, so I'm gonna do it now. Subscribe to our channels, please. So first product. I've talked about Olly with you guys in the past before, but this one specifically is one that's meant for skin. It's called Vibrant Skin. Have you tried Olly at all?
I haven't.
So they're sold at Target, so they're like really easy to like grab. So the ones that I used every single day in the beginning was like Energy. The sleep ones help you sleep at night, and then there's ones for stress that kind of calm you. The taste of these are my least favorite of all the different Olly ones, but what I love about it is that it's kind of doing all the things that you're putting on your face, but you're actually taking it in.
Let me see. You know why you probably don't love the flavor?
Yeah,
it's because of the collagen, but it's probably the most exciting thing in here.
Oh, really? Okay, well there
Collagen.
you go.
We all need it.
My mom like gets on me to like take my vitamins every day, etc., etc. There's something about it in a pill form that just stresses me out.
Agreed, I'm with you.
And then like these gummies just make it feel like it's almost like I'm getting like my sweet tooth craving in, and it's like when you just want something, it just makes it really easy and convenient.
I agree. You guys, yesterday I just got braces and they're behind my teeth, you guys will see.
Which I didn't know was a thing, so I think that's really, really cool.
But it's like an adjustment period to talking and eating. I'm like on the best diet ever right now.
Do you get to eat like ice cream and mashed potatoes?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Vitamin C. Vitamin C. This one by Sunday Riley, CEO.
The name is so good, by the way.
I know, it really is. You know, I wear vitamin C almost every day. It's full of antioxidants. It actually boosts the efficacy of your SPF.
You're kidding.
A lot of people don't know that.
That's a new addition to my skincare, vitamin C period. When I went to a dermatologist, they were like, trust me, your 60-year-old self will thank you.
This one feels more like a lotion almost, like a cream.
Yeah.
But it's a serum, so it goes in really nicely. You have to wear an SPF because it can actually oxidize in the sun. So you wanna make sure you're not letting it do that, because that could be actually counterproductive of what it's supposed to do.
At what point in your skincare routine do you put this on?
This is right after I wash my face.
Okay, well you were talking about SPF, so I think I'll talk about my go-to SPF. Supergoop is a brand that doesn't leave the gray overcast on your face, which is something that if you are a woman of color, you can understand is very frustrating.
Because my husband, also brown.
Yes, South Indian.
Yeah, exactly. I never knew that happened.
Yeah.
That it could get like that gray or purple cast until I started making him use my SPF.
Supergoop has products that are meant for your face and body, and I love that it's in the spray form. Everyone I know wants to wear SPF. They say they're gonna do SPF, but if it feels like it's an annoying part of your life, you just kind of leave it out. So I really like that. Again, all about the convenience factor of that.
So this is SkinCeuticals. It's a hyaluronic acid, but it's an intensifier. I put this on after vitamin C. It mixes well with vitamin C. What I like about it is if you have dry skin, it's really going to give that first layer. See how it's like almost like a gel?
Yeah.
And it goes on, absorbs, and then if you put on your cream or anything else, you're gonna have that like nice layer. It's like the moisturizer that you put on top of it will really just keep it in there.
I mean, everything SkinCeuticals I feel like is like just known to be incredible. It is more pricey, but I think if you're gonna spend on something, skincare is the one to do that.
Yeah, and you know, you were mentioning the scent. I think that's actually a good thing because they're not putting all these like toxins in there to like make it smell delicious. It's like instead they're just kind of going for being like effective, really great products.
That's fair. I have a lot of masks in front of me, but that's on purpose because I feel...
Are you a multi-masker?
I'm a multi-masker, and I multi-mask multiple times a week. When I'm not somebody who has time to take care of my skin, it's the easiest way to do it.
I'm with you.
This one is from Dr. JART, the Tiger Grass.
I love this one.
She was telling me they have this in a jar form.
Yep.
I thought it was only in this form because I thought this was just so smart because of travel.
I like this. I didn't know they had it in a packet form.
It's so incredible. So they say on here, because I don't want to like say this wrong, is that you put it on overnight. I wear this all the time on planes.
Yep.
Airplanes, it's like a great way, like if you're going on a red eye back from LA to New York, it's like so convenient, and you can just stick it in your bag, take it out, put it on.
There's a lot of like misinformation.
Tell me.
You see everybody doing it like on the airplane lately. It's like really trendy, but you are messing your skin up if you do it on the airplane.
What?
You're already in the recycled air. It's already bad for your skin. So instead, you do it right before you get on the airplane.
In my mind, I was thinking your skin is going through the most when it's on the plane, right?
Yep.
It's like the air is drier. So I'm like, let me protect.
Yeah. So you want to. You're right. You're right. But once you're already on the plane, it's over.
I just like learned that I was doing skincare all wrong my entire adult life.
Everybody does this though on the airplane. Everybody, it's so trendy right now too. But really, you're supposed to do it right before you get on. This is by ERNO LASZLO, the multitask eye serum mask. It's like a hydrogel. It's not messy.
Yeah.
And really, what I use it for is in the morning when I feel like I'm puffy and I like didn't sleep because I'm a mom and I'm stressed out. And I feel like I put this on while I'm like brushing my teeth and all that stuff, and then my puffiness goes away.
Should we just like do a switcheroo today so we can each try? Or you have these already?
I'm a Shiseido fan.
Okay.
I'm Asian. I feel
Yeah,
like
it's in your blood.
Yeah, it really is.
I got to go to Tokyo with Shiseido. And
I saw that.
it was so cool, and I got to learn so much about the brand. They really, and you know, sometimes you feel like it's all marketing BS, whatever.
Yeah.
The brand DNA is all about skincare, and really the technology behind it and stuff. They spend a lot of time on it.
Yeah.
So this one specifically is about making it so it's really nice and smooth, wrinkle resistant. You know how they say 15 minutes for these things? I just soak in every little bit of it as long as I can, and there's retinol in it.
So because there's retinol, for sure use it at night instead of on the airplane. UV rays and retinol just don't mix well together. Speaking of retinol, I've been using this one and I love it. This is the EVELOM Time Retreat, and I like this because it releases the retinol throughout the night. It doesn't make your skin feel really sensitive or flaky in the morning or anything like that. And here's the tip also, if you do get flaky because of retinol, make sure your face is completely dry before you apply your retinol, because that can make your skin a little bit more flaky.
I'm learning so much. This is so great. My mom has incredible skin.
Yeah.
So I look at her and I'm like, oh my God, all she used was a St. Ives scrub and Olay moisturizer her whole life. But my mom doesn't play with makeup for a living.
Right.
And so the amount of
she wasn't caking it on and
testing things, taking it off, and making my skin so irritable. So I have been like just very recently somebody who's been trying to like figure out my skincare regimen, and it's still a very evolving thing. To be honest, what forced me to do that was the fact that like I started to put on my makeup and seeing my skin was truly changing. Like I saw the lines on my face coming out, and I was like,
which, by the way, you guys, she has like 0 lines, but you'll turn 30 and you'll be like, dang, I'm hot.
Yeah.
30 is a great age, but then you'll get like 31, you're like, oh no.
So basically I have a year of my life to love, and then it's
No,
just downhill.
it's not that. Because you are learning all your skincare, you've got it down.
Okay, yes.
And you're gonna be fab forever.
Okay, wait, so as we're talking about vitamins, I just wanna quickly talk about this from MURAD, which I saw that she also has multivitamin infusion oil. You guys have heard me talk about it before, but I've only been using it more and more. It has vitamins A through F in it, which I think is really great, because when I feel like I'm getting all of it at once, it just makes life more convenient.
Agreed.
You can put this on directly to your face, or you can mix it into your foundation, and you can put it on your face and kind of get you like this like natural highlighty feel, you know?
Yep.
I don't have a mirror in front of me.
It feels
but
really nice too. I've noticed it just like, it feels like a dry oil. I love Dr. Murad too. Have you met him? He's like Uncle Murad.
Like Uncle Murad?
Yeah, he is.
He's
and
like
he
the
wears
OG.
like fun shirts and he likes art. He paints. I've got one more. It's called Elixir.
I've never heard of it.
Right? It's brand new. I love the packaging. This one is their universal emulsion. It's a moisturizer, night cream, and serum. All in one.
Wow.
And it feels really good. And I feel like whether you have combo skin, oily skin, dry skin, it works for everyone.
That is a really good discovery. I'm learning so much. And one thing that's not here that I'm very upset about, and I'm mad I didn't bring it, but the Neutrogena wipes really are my absolute favorite ones. I just feel like a lot of them don't get the stubborn makeup off your eyes. Tell me down below if there's one that you think is better than those, because they're the most affordable. They never dry out, which is a really hard.
They don't. I'm Asian, half Asian. I do the double cleanse at night all the time, but I do like those wipes.
I want to know more about double cleanse. Do you have a video of that on your channel?
Do I? I probably do.
Can you?
I'm sure I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel like I need to just go binge watch your skincare videos.
I mean, or I can just, you know, we could just start hanging out.
Can we?
Yeah.
I would love that.
I would too.
Yeah. This is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
It really is.
I feel it.
I do. I do too.
There's all the things. We could talk about this in a month from now, because we try so many different things.
I think we maybe need to do another collab soon.
I think we do too. And I always say this in my skincare videos and tell my followers to like tell us down below products that they're loving, because it's such a journey to figure out skincare that works for all of us, and it's something that's not the most affordable, so helping each other and saying things that work for you can help the entire conversation. So let us know down below, and don't forget to go check out the video we did on mixed makeup. All the info down below, be sure to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe,
Yes. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up.
We like thumbs ups.
Yep.
And we should do this again.
I agree. You guys, give us a thumbs up if you want to see that happen again.
Totally.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. See you next time.
Bye.